This image is taken from mast cam left, NASA's Mars Rover Curiosity SOL 751. What I'm seeing here is this big dark area out in the middle of this typical sandy reddish soil. And when we zoom in, you can see it's been heavily edited by NASA, so I'm not sure if that's to add something or to take something away, hide something. And then I did a little bit of my own editing and came up with this big burn spot. So is it possible that somebody blew something up on Mars and maybe did some nuclear testing or something, or trying out some bombs and made a big blast area there? Are these missions actually a cover for weapons testing? I mean, that's something I would want to know. And then there's some strange writing over here in the corner. Is the rover actually writing in the mud and doing artwork? It looks like an SHKISX543 and possibly a Y right here. And I did a couple of little separate images here. This right here looks kind of odd too, but I think it's at ground level, so it's going to be really small, whatever it is. And then I did this other one. It's from the same SOL, and you can see these pyramids here in the background. You can still see this greenish tint right here. And then I did a little bit of color adding, and then you can see a little bit more here. So I'm not sure if that is burn or if that's green grass growing right here. But I found these pyramids interesting. They kind of remind me of the pyramids from Egypt. And there's several of them right here. There's one here, one right here, here. And they look really well formed. And often when I go on my morning walk, I will see the pyramids that the fire ants make out of dirt. Sometimes I will see them when it's going to get really hot, and sometimes it's when it's getting really, really cold. The colder it gets, the higher the pyramid. So there must be some type of insulation secret or something that we can learn from using the Earth's natural resources to living. But it's hard to say what type of creature might be using the Earth to make its home, but it seems like it's common. Even the military on Area 51 has a pyramid there. And from what I've read, it may be a radar station of some sort, or it could be barracks and somebody's living in it. Who knows? But I do hope that all this